This video is going to show you how to get to your old class materials in case you did not back up your Edline content before the rollover to the 18-19 school year. So I am going to view as Ms. Parati at Edgewood. So when I go to my Edline, you're going to see both of our names, but it's imitating her. So I'm going to go up to my Edline, hover over it, and then go over here under my content and say old class materials. The best way to sort this is click on the words content updated, and these are going to be last classes, the classes that ended in May of 2018. So I'm going to go to her Spanish 3 or period 3 Spanish 2 class just for the example. If I click on it, here's all of the things that she had inside of there. And at this point, you can drill down and follow the directions for the different parts. Obviously, if there's grades in there, like term 3 grades or term 4 grades, you don't need those. Those are last year's kids. You don't need them back. So you would click on, say, links, and here is where you can copy those links as indicated in the how-to section of our document. So that should at least get you to your old class materials if your school has been rolled over to the 18-19 school year.